Okay, so here is the finished space. We kept the floor plan the same, the layout is the same. This is a cherry wood cabinetry. The cherry is beautiful. And the alder stain, I really like this natural wood finish. It's like a lighter brown. The countertops that we did are a quartz. This is called a Cameo Pearl by a Daltile. We did a ogee square edge detail. We also did drawer fronts to match. So again, this is a raised panel door, and then we did drawer fronts to match. That just ties it all in together. Having drawer fronts to match, especially with a raised panel, I think makes the cabinetry look a lot more upgraded. We have a 45 cabinet here with a Lazy Susan inside. These are really great to put spices and things like you see here. They come with 3 shelves, and then of course this is soft close. I also like the angle. I think the angle makes the upper cabinets look a lot more custom instead of having that blind corner square cabinet. And I really like the countertop against the finish of the wood. The clients went with a black stainless steel appliances, and I just think it looks really good against the cabinetry and really good against the countertops. So we have a hood here with cabinets above, and then we have this is a 30-inch range. Another challenge for this project was the full cooktop splash. We actually ran out of material and had to seam together the cooktop. I think it turned out really, really good. As you can see, this is actually 2 pieces. I'll show you close up here. This is actually a seam here. And my guys did a really good job. So for the window, we did something special. This had a wood casing on here before, which we painted white. For the window sill, we actually did an integrated quartz sill. So this doesn't have any overhang. This just seamlessly comes right into the sill. And we did the same profile, this ogee profile, just like we did on here. We did an ogee square, and so we did the ogee here, which then we actually laminated onto this backsplash piece here. So now this whole piece becomes one integrated piece, which is pretty cool. The sink is a cast iron sink from Kohler, so it is a tank of a sink. And we went with the Moen STO. This is a spot resistant stainless steel finish. So for the ceiling, we had a light fixture here, fluorescent light fixture. So we removed that, patched the ceiling, and then we added these recessed. These are 4-inch recessed lighting. I like the 4-inch on a smaller ceiling, on a shorter ceiling. You get a taller ceiling, you can go up into the 6 inches. Because of the position of the sink, we couldn't get a Lazy Susan in this corner. So this ended up being a dead corner. So what we did is we added another door on the opposite side, on the seating side. And so then you have a little more space that's available. Another thing to consider if you're thinking about getting new cabinetry is the crown molding. The crown molding is very important to do it well and also to have it. I know a lot of people are trying to design kitchens without it, but then you have a small gap up there and it doesn't look as custom and as finished. The crown molding came out really good. Obviously matches the cabinetry, but it really gives a finish to the space. So for the guest bathroom, we also did a matching cabinet, same cherry wood, plywood upgrade inside, drawer fronts to match. And of course, all my drawers are full extension and soft close. The same Cameo Pearl that we used in the kitchen. We were able to reuse the mirror and reuse the medicine cabinet. But this space is all new sink, new faucet. To just improve the space, the look of the space, and have it have some continuity to the kitchen. And lastly, the floor is a waterproof laminate. It's meant to look like wood. It actually has a texture on it as well.
What I really like about it is it butts up real tight and clean, so it's really easy to clean. Unlike a tile that looks like wood where you still have the joints. This, you eliminate those joints. It is a better price point as well than the tile. It really comes in a lot of really good colors. This, I don't know if the photos and the video do it justice, because this really looks like wood.
And that wraps up this remodel project. Thanks for touring it with me, and we'll see you next time.